Hello and namaste everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I'm going to make a second series of 7 days yoga challenge. My first series was on power vinyasa flow, and second will be on Hatha yoga. It will base from beginner to intermediate level. So if you had not seen my first video, so first you can see that I had given link in the description box, or you can see on the I button. Now before starting the class, I will show you some easy warm-up which you can practice every day before your yoga practice, and warm-up is very important. So let's get started. First, you watch the full video and try to understand the breathing. Listen the breathing, and when I'm saying inhale and exhale, when I'm saying to contract the core, how to keep your leg. First you listen that, watch the video carefully, watch it full, then after that you try to practice. So first I start the warm-up from the cat-cow pose. See, first you have to be both on your hand and knee. Your both shoulder and wrist will be straight line, and the knee and hips should be straight line. Now slowly how to just move your back with your breath. Now look here. Inhale, look up. Inhale in your lungs, look up and stretch. Exhale. Properly how to just hunch your back, try to lock your chin and try to look at your navel. Inhale, look up, expand your ribcage, inhale in your lungs and hold your breath. Exhale. Take it up, properly hunch your back, feel your spine. Inhale, look up and stretch. Take your shoulder up, lift up. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Take a deep breath in your lungs. Look up and stretch. And exhale. Okay. Now see, this was the first, which will help you to stretch your back. Now the second is you have to up dog and down dog. Just you have to move. Same like a dynamic movement. You have to inhale, look up. Exhale, just you have to press your heel on the mat and try to touch your forehead on the mat. Open your shoulder joint, keep your lower back straight. Inhale, you have to slowly up and stretch. Keep your both arms straight, squeeze your hip, look up. Expand your ribcage up. Exhale, slowly have to just try to press your heel on the mat. Again, try to touch your forehead on the mat, lower back straight. Press down properly. Inhale, look up and stretch, shoulder back and look up higher. Exhale, press the heel on the mat, get down and stretch properly here. One more. Inhale, look up and stretch. Take your shoulder back, squeeze your hip, look up. And exhale, press the heel on the mat, put it down here, and slowly put it down here. Okay, so this was second. Now third is just you have to loosen up your hand here like this. Okay, now we start our class. 10-minute Hatha flow. First we will come in the plank, contract your core, then you have to drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Take your elbow in. Inhale, squeeze the hip, lift your chest up. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Inhale, right leg in between your palm. Take your knee down, put it down here. Now, keep your right leg 90 degrees straight. Inhale, look up and hold here. Inhale in your lungs. 6. Look up. 5. Keep pushing hip forward. 4. Come on, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. You have to just try to put your fingertips on the mat, expand your ribcage, look up and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale to your arms straight and exhale to your arms down, toe tap in, lift up. Now slowly bend your right leg and drop your right leg to the left side heel up, take it up and hold, back bend, look up and stretch, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1, exhale. Now slowly bend your right knee, touch your knee to the elbow. Now again inhale, drop your left heel on the mat and right leg, put it to the left side. Take your arms straight, look up and hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1, exhale. Take your right leg up here, bend your knee, make sure your both shoulders in one line and try to touch your forehead on the mat and hold here, 6, 5, toes out, 4, 3, 2, and 1, inhale, take the right leg forward here and slowly take your both arms straight again. Try to contract your core, take your abdomen in and hold your 6, back heel up, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, exhale, take your arms down and slowly feet together here, plank, drop the knee, chest down and look straight. Inhale, look up and stretch. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Now slowly put your left leg forward, chain the leg, right knee drop down. Now see, take your knee like this here, straight 90 degree. Inhale, take your both hip in one line, look up and hold, 6, keep pushing hip forward, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1, exhale. Now again, slowly just drop your fingertips on the mat, lift your rib cage up and hold, 6, 5, expand your rib cage, open your chest, 4, 3, 2, and 1, slowly inhale, take your both arms straight and exhale, take your right toe tip, inhale up, slowly inhale here, take it up and stretch, take your left arm straight higher, look up and hold, 6, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, exhale, slowly touch your left leg to the left elbow, then inhale, take your arm straight up and hold, 6, 5, look at your right hand, 4, take normal breathing, 3, 2, and 1, exhale, right hand down. Now slowly have to just bend it here, try to touch your forehead on the mat and hold here, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, and 1, inhale, take your left leg forward here, back heel up. Now first you have to adjust your hip, try to keep your both hip in one line, take your abdomen in and hold here, keep your back straight, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, exhale, get down, again go back here, feet together, look straight, drop the knee, chest down and look straight here. Inhale, squeeze the hip, look up and stretch. Exhale, press the heel on the mat. Now slowly inhale, bend your right leg, put it forward here, straight here. Raise your both arms straight, look up and hold, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1, exhale, put it down here, toes in. Now slowly have your feet together, side plank. Look up to your right hand and hold your 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1, exhale. Now slowly put it forward here like this and slowly drop your heel down, catch your toe, look straight and hold, look at your toes, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change the leg. First we'll go plank, drop your knee, chest down, inhale, look up, exhale, take it up here. Now change your leg, left leg, inhale, put it forward here. Now slowly take your both arms straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when exhale, take it here and slowly inhale, side plank, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and when exhale, touch your right knee, left knee to the elbow, and slowly catch your toe and hold here. 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and slowly exhale, drop your knee down and slowly press down here, hold here, and few seconds relax here. Okay. Now see, this is very easy steps. So first you watch the full video and try to understand the breathing, listen the breathing, and when I'm saying inhale and exhale, when I'm saying to contract the core, how to keep your leg. First you listen that, watch the video carefully, watch it full, then after that you try to practice. So keep practicing, stay fit, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Thank you.